Hey guys, it's Chef Grant here. In today's video, we'll be making chocolate chip cookies with you guys step by step. Let's get our ingredients organized real quick and then we'll get right into this. Okay, now that we're all done getting all of our ingredients all organized, we can start mixing our ingredients together to get started making our chocolate chip cookies. I will let you know though that the ingredients list for what we're making the chocolate chip cookies for is actually in the description area down below, so if you want to follow along with me in the recipe, go right ahead. You're more than welcome to. So, first thing we're going to do is pretty straightforward. We're going to mix all the basic ingredients. I have my flour right here, I have my sugar right here, brown sugar over here, and I have this bell. Oh, it's supposed to have eggs in it. Give me a second. Oh, there we go. Now it's got eggs in it. Okay, cool. Now that we got all of our ingredients all organized, what we need to do next is mix them together. So let's get right into this. First of all, we're going to take our sugar, put that in with our flour. Take our brown sugar now, put that on in with the normal flour and sugar, and place our eggs in, of course, with the rest of the mixing bowl, like so. And then what we need to do is pretty straightforward. We need to get a teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of baking soda, and also a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then we can get started mixing this. I almost forgot about one more ingredient. We need butter. 2 sticks of butter for this recipe, so let me double check the fridge right here. We only have half a stick, so let me teleport and go grab some butter. Ooh, we don't talk about that. But I got the butter, we are all good to go. Now we can blend this with the cookies and then we can get started mixing this. Whoopsie daisy. Okay, so you need 2 sticks of butter. You didn't see that earlier there. I'm gonna make sure it's 2 sticks in here. And what we're gonna do is start stirring, okay? Now that we got our dough mixed up, we need to put chocolate chips, then we can put it on this tray here, then we can throw it on the oven and let it cook. So the cookies are done, I can confirm. We had a problem where the first batch we put in actually messed up because we put it in for 11 minutes, 375. Don't put it in for 11 minutes, put it in for 9. That way, if you do need to add an extra minute, you can add another extra 1 or 2 minutes depending on your oven, because some ovens cook things faster than some don't. And for right now though, we got my boy Slark here, who's going to try out one of the cookies. That's the wrong kind of cookie. That's not the right one. That was the brownie cookie you made. You mixed with the dough. This guy, halfway through our video, threw brownie mix into the cookie dough for the cookies for this video. So, here. This is one of the actual cookies. The lighting in here is not meant to be up this close, by the way. But, yeah. And that's how you make chocolate chip cookies. Don't make the same mistakes I did and learn from this video. And enjoy the cookies you make with your friends and families. And hopefully, no one messes any of them up. It's good though.